Before doing makeup, spray a moisturizing mist to help your skin absorb everything. In summer, you can just apply sunscreen directly. Use colored contacts that give a mixed-race vibe. These ones are called Wumang Baisho. They have strong pigmentation. For this kind of look, choose lenses with higher color payoff and a slightly cool misty gray gradient. The radiating pattern inside adds more depth, but it still looks natural and not overdone on the eyes. Wearing lenses like this really enhances that mixed-race effect. Start with concealer to cover blemishes and dark circles. Use only a small amount of foundation. I'm using a new tool that combines a brush and sponge. It's great for applying a thin, smooth, and natural-looking base. Apply a thin layer with the brush for a delicate finish, then polish it with a puff for a sheer, glowing look. Look at the difference. Now use a puff to blend it out. Do the same on the other side. Add more if you're still not satisfied. For blush, use a cream formula after foundation. First, use shade 102 Fig, a highly pigmented mood color. Apply it slightly inside the cheekbones and blend inward, leaving the under-eye area clean. This kind of blush is perfect for Korean-style makeup. It creates a strong atmosphere. You can also add a bit on the bridge of the nose. For a more Asian, Korean-inspired look, the key is soft pink blush that makes you look youthful. Then use shade 101 Milky Peach Pink to blend into the center of the face, connecting it with the first blush shade. This gives a slightly fuller, lifted look. Add a bit to the chin as well to complete that soft Korean vibe. Set your makeup with powder. Then move on to contouring for that mixed-race effect. Shape the nose tip into a U-like structure. Then draw a V shape at the tip. Add contour to the eye sockets and connect it to the brow bone with a Y shape. Blend it out with a brush, then use a smaller brush to emphasize the lower parts and lift upward. Now use a smaller brush. This creates a more defined mixed-race nose. Highlight the jawline upward and brighten under the eyes and nose tip to enhance the effect. For the eyeshadow, use the Givenchy 9-shade palette, number 15. Start with a base shade. Then use a burnt orange to smudge from the outer corner upward, connecting it to the nose contour. Deepen the lower lash line and the lash root with the darkest shade. It looks very high-end and not too dramatic, suitable for everyday wear. Add some to the inner and outer corners. This palette is also great for a soft, smoky look. Use double eyelid tape to slightly lift the outer corners. Apply eyeliner. Draw the inner liner first, then from the outer side of the pupil, draw straight outward. Make sure to keep it horizontal. Then connect to the outer corner and fill it in. Use a small brush with the darkest shade to extend the inner corner slightly outward. You can deepen it a bit with eyeliner. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. Add a subtle aiguille sal, don't make it too dark. Apply false lashes. You can extend the outer corners a bit longer. For the brows, brush them into a soft, straight shape. Keep the front lighter and deepen the tail slightly. Add a super sparkly glitter to the inner corners for depth. You can also dab a bit on the nose tip to enhance the mixed-race look. Conceal the natural lip color first. Then choose a pale pink to keep the focus on the eyes. Deepen the philtrum, Cupid's bow area, and add a darker shade to the inner part of the lips. Clean up the lip edges, and the look is complete. This style combines the Asian baby aesthetic with high contrast features for a stunning, deep set finish. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss on our next upload. See you on our next video.